In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically advance slides in PowerPoint. This is really useful if you're running a self-playing presentation, setting up a looping display at an event, or you just don't want to worry about clicking through every slide during a talk. We'll walk through the key settings you need, and by the end, your slides will move forward completely on their own. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and make sure you're in the normal view where you can see your slides on the left and your main slide in the center. Select the slide where you want automatic advancing to begin. You can set this up slide by slide or apply it to multiple slides at once, so it's good to start with one and test it. Now, go to the top of the screen and click on the Transitions tab. This is where PowerPoint controls how each slide enters and exits, but it also includes the timing options we need. On the right-hand side of the Transitions ribbon, look for the section called Timing. Here, you should see options for advancing the slide. By default, PowerPoint usually has On Mouse Click turned on. That means the slide will only change when you click. To make it automatic, tick the box that says After, and then set the amount of time you want this slide to stay on the screen. For example, if you want each slide to show for 5 seconds, type in 0005, or use the small arrows to adjust the time. You can leave On Mouse Click checked if you still want the option to click ahead manually, or uncheck it if you want the slideshow to be fully automatic. Once you've set the timing for one slide, you can apply this to all slides to keep things consistent. With the slide still selected, click the Apply to All button in the Transitions tab. PowerPoint will copy that timing to every slide in your deck. If you need certain slides to stay longer, like a title slide or a detailed chart, just click on those individual slides and adjust their after time. When you're done setting your timings, go to the Slideshow tab and click From Beginning to Preview. Watch how each slide advances on its own, and check if the pacing feels right. If a slide changes too quickly or lingers too long, stop the slideshow, tweak the timing, and test again. Once everything looks good, you're ready to use your automatically advancing PowerPoint in a real presentation or as a self-running show.